welcome. Thanks for tuning in to CNN News 18. Well, this evening is truly special because we are here at Taj Hotel in the national capital. What are we here for? We're here for the 15th edition of the Indian of the Year 2025. Today, we're going to be honoring people from various walks of life, people who truly have shown India the mirror to dream bigger, to aspire and achieve greater heights. We're going to be honoring all of them right here. So don't forget to tune in. We're counting down to the final moments. It's a packed audience, large crowds walking into the space where all of these conversations are going to take place, where the biggest awards of the country are going to unfold, and people walking in. But we're not going to forget to highlight, viewers, why this is so special. These awards have seen the presence of, in the past, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of Neeraj Chopra, Virat Kohli, you name it, all of them have been honored with Indian of the Year in the past. So here's a quick recap of what we've seen over the years. Don't forget, this is the 15th edition, and we'll be cutting across to the live action in just a bit. Here's a quick recap.
मैं आपका बहुत मशकूर हूँ और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि आपने मुझको यहाँ पर मदऊ किया और ऐसी खूबसूरत अच्छी एक महफिल आपने यहाँ पर मुनज़्ज़म की है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जब हमारा नेशनल एंथम चला तो सर ये अभी भी रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे थे। तो मतलब वो उससे बड़ी फीलिंग कुछ नहीं थी। मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि जितनी भी आज तक मेहनत करी है, इंजरीज हुई हैं, जो भी हुआ है, वो उस टाइम भूल गए थे हम।
I don't believe in tags. I don't believe in comparisons. For me, the joy of life is just watching that ball and hitting it in the middle of the bat.
इंडिया कभी झुकेगा नहीं।
Please do keep watching CNN News 18, but beyond that, do watch films in the theatre.
Thank you for that. We're on cable as well as on social.
You don't get CNN News 18 in theatres yet. So.
To be holding the award for being the youth icon, Indian of the Year, just is truly a very, very special feeling. Thank you, CNN News 18 again.
Okay, we're going to keep going across to my teammates, colleagues who are going to be able to tell you why this night is going to be so memorable. It is the highlight of CNN News 18. It is our flagship event. Aman Sharma is with me here. He's going to be witnessing all the action that's set to unfold here. Aman, what are your big expectations and what surprises are you looking out for?
Well, Christine, I think Indian of the Year is our biggest event. We do it every year, and it's only getting bigger by the year. The scale of it, the awardees, the entire way we do it, it's only getting bigger by the year. This is better than any other media event we see across happening in Delhi, because we really award the deserving candidates. We really research them. There's a proper jury process through which they go through, and finally that award is given to the most deserving. That person may not be the big headline person throughout the year, but that person will be the most deserving, somebody who's really actually done work on the ground or some really path-breaking achievement. And as we all know, we are really excited to see the Indian women cricket team today here with us, who have notched up this phenomenal World Cup victory, and the big stars will be here today. I think that's going to be a big highlight. The women's blind women cricket team, which has won the T20 World Cup. So it's like a double bonanza of Nari Shakti being displayed this time on the Indian of the Year. The Indian women cricket team as well as the Indian women blind cricket team, both have met the Prime Minister. There have been beautiful visuals today earlier of the blind women cricket team meeting the Prime Minister. Earlier, our women cricket team also met the Prime Minister. He had glowing words to say for their success, and only fitting that at Indian of the Year, we are recognizing and awarding the women's cricket team in such a big way.
We're not giving names as yet of who all we're going to see here on the stage. So our viewers are going to have to tune in for more. But two cricket teams and their representatives are going to be right here. And we're going to be decoding a lot more. So a lot more conversations, things people have not heard of before perhaps. When is it that it really did sink in for the Indian women cricket team as to they have won what they were waiting for? In fact, we're going to be joined by some of the former cricket players too. Those who had the chance to, in fact, hold the trophy with the rest of the teammates. Aman, you said something very special, which is how this night belongs to everyone who's been a real-life hero. So these are people you may not have heard of entirely, some of them, but they have contributed to the nation dreaming bigger in years to come, right?
Of course, we can't disclose the winners, but I think when the names come out tonight, I think many people would be surprised at, the kind of effort that goes into it, making these nominations first, arriving at the nomination. It's a very meticulous process. I think we work 6 months before this event happens to go into each category, make those nominees, and then finally it goes before the jury. And many a time our jury is also very pleasantly surprised to see the kind of research has gone to bring across the nominees. And that's why I say if you see a past Indian of the Year events which we have had, you'll see names, people who have actually done work on the ground. These are not any superficial names. These are people who have done work on the ground, who've done path-breaking work, who've changed the lives of people whom they connect with. And that is why I see Indian of the Year is a special event of CNN News 18, because we really believe in awarding those who totally deserve it. This is the India's #1 news network for many years now, and we've continued this dream run for many weeks. And only fitting, I would say, that the Indian women's cricket team is going to be here. We won't tell you the names, who they are. Please wait for that. But the big highlight of this evening is, of course, our women champions who have made the country proud.
So I've spoken to a lot of colleagues of mine, and that's one thing they're all looking forward to, the Indian women's cricket team. We're going to have to wait out a little while longer, just the next few minutes, and then we'll go across to them. Stay on with us. Thank you, Aman, for that.